Hey guys, Pearl back again, and I'm here to share with you my 4,000 watch hour video, how I got it, my little secrets and tips, and exactly how I actually got monetized. Guys, this is so exciting. But before we get into it, let us share with you. Go ahead and check out I will put in the description below a link of my video of how I got 1,000 subscribers. Now I had to focus on one or the other, so let's be clear. Take a look at how you get 1,000 subscribers and then focus on the 4,000 watch hours, which is kind of what I did. So if you want to go ahead, I'll also place a link up in the top here. That is going to also give you another way to get into that 1,000 subscriber videos. Also, you want to wait until the end of the video because I have a really secret little tip and hack that I was given, that I watched, and I was given by another creator, which really helped my watch hours, which ultimately allowed me to get to 4,000 hours in 6 months, guys. 6 months, 4,000 hours. Can you believe it? It's incredible. Some people are lucky to get it done quicker, but remember, it depends on your niche. And trust and believe, as a new YouTuber, every time you watch these 4,000 watch hours, and they're talking about different things, and they make you nervous about it, and you're like, what are you talking about? I really don't know. So this is the easiest way for you to find out how to get 4,000 watch hours. Now let's talk about how many hours is 4,000. How many minutes is 4,000 watch time hours? It works out to 240,000 watch time minutes. That is crazy. It's mind-blowing. But can I tell you what? It can be done. Now let me explain it to you really nicely. I'll show you. When you get to the next slide, guys, press pause. Okay, so let's say you have a video for 20 minutes long and 100 people watched 10 minutes. That's going to give you 1,000 minutes of watch time hours. All right, guys, this is my YouTube analytics. Now, I want to show you my videos. So here is that average view duration I was talking about. So this video of mine on my Egyptian museum was 3 minutes and 13 seconds, and I had 3,917 views. Now remember, we spoke about how many minutes. So if I have 100 people at 3 minutes 13, that's 313 minutes of watch time. This is 3,000, so this is how I got that. And as you can see here, there's 1 minute, 1 minute 25. Now if you look at my videos, they are quite long, so you'll see the average view duration is a little low, and this is because I used YouTube promotion. But you can see the more videos you have and the more time they spend on watching your videos, it doesn't matter how many minutes they watch. If you have 3,000 people watching 1 minute, that's 3,000 minutes of watch time. So guys, this is how you get that watch time. All right, so that is how you calculate how the minutes are worked out. I hope that makes a little more sense for you as a new YouTuber. And of course, remember, the tip and the takeaway is make longer videos so that you can get longer watch time. Most of the time, people don't watch the whole video, especially if you're in lifestyle or vlogging. Depending again on what your niche is, will determine how long they actually watch the video for. Now, before we move on to those 4 amazing tips that I'm going to give you, I just want to say, if you find value in my videos, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Also, I do videos on cooking now and again because I love to cook. And of course, I share my plastic surgery journey, and I'm a fitness trainer. I have 3 years, a diploma in coaching sciences and fitness. So I do have a little knowledge about those things. So you will find those on my channel as well. Now, let's go ahead and begin with, hey guys, tip number 1. Firstly, how to get people to watch your videos and how to make longer videos. All right, tip number 1 in making your videos longer: introduction. Really good introduction. Introduce yourself, what you're about, and very importantly, immediately say what the video is about, because then you've got the attention. They're like, oh yes, that's why I clicked on this video. I want to know how to get 4,000 watch hours. The other thing that you can do is introduce one of your older videos, like I've done in the beginning of my video. I've asked you to watch my 1,000 subscriber video. So you put it in the link below and you put it at the link at the top. So this is also where they can click to keep on session time, and of course keep them watching longer, giving you more watch time hours. So they might only watch 1 minute of this video, but 2 minutes of that video and 5 minutes of that video. That's 10 minutes in total from one person, and that's really what you want. Okay, the other thing that you need to do is introduce something that's exciting that you can hold to the end. So perhaps the best tip or trick for how you plan to do something, let that come right at the end of the video. And that is how you get people to watch longer time. Tip number 2, video promotion. Now, when I started figuring out how to get more views, and people weren't watching my videos because people don't know me, I'm a new person. So the way that I could get my videos out there was to use YouTube promotion. Now, if you are very technical, you could probably figure out how to advertise your own videos, but I used a company called Fiverr. Now, they also helped me to get my subscribers. Now, we're not buying these subscribers. We're simply promoting the videos to different people, hoping that they're going to watch the videos, possibly like them, and then subscribe. And what I did find after 6 months is that I'd promoted an older video, and then I'd find out that YouTube started putting it on browse features. So if you go into your YouTube analytics, you'll see that they started putting them back out again slowly, because suddenly they realized, oh, hold on a second, this is getting some watch time, it's getting some traction. So promoting the videos, you can pay anything from $5, perhaps for 1,000, 1,500 views, but there are so many. I'll show you the website now. All right, this is the Fiverr website, and you can search. So you can say, I'm looking for YouTube. You can see USA, view duration. Now, I've been focusing on, obviously, high CPMs, and I'll explain CPM at a much later video. But you type in here that you are looking for YouTube promotion and a whole lot of different, let's do this, YouTube promotion, and you'll see that a whole lot of different kinds of sellers come up, and they vary in price. Now, this is all obviously in South African rands. You can see there's 360, and if you click, so let's just click in one so I can show you. This one says I'll do your promotion on. This one's quite expensive, so you're kind of looking for someone a little cheaper. Now you can go up, I think there's one for 72. So here we go. You see what he's offering. He's saying he'll promote your video to 1,000 audience. So this tip number 3, self-watch. Now, I know most people that are watching their own videos, people think you're nuts. How can you be watching your own videos? I put my video on my phone, on my laptop, on my PC, and I let my videos play. Now, the longer they play, the longer watch time you get, and then obviously, of course, now be clever, the more time you will get on your watch time hours. So you watch yourself the videos, and obviously watch the longer videos, because that's how you're going to get the watch time hours in. The second thing, if you have a husband, if you have obviously friends, if you have, get them to watch the videos. Now, I'm clever because I have my son, my daughter, my husband, and myself. So that's 4 different people that I can use their YouTube channels to watch videos. Now, this is my little secret little tip that I've been doing to get my watch time videos. Now, obviously it's not enough, but I promise you it will help. Self-watch your videos, use whoever you can, take your husband's phone, your friend's phone, say, just don't even have to watch it, just put it on so that you can get those watch time hours in. Get those watch time hours up. So there is tip number 3. Down to the secret tip, the one you've been waiting for. Now, remember, on YouTube, there are so many creators, and there are a lot of people who are beep, 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 rubbishes. They give you absolute nonsense, because there was a time I followed somebody's advice and I actually ended up losing watch time hours. Guys, listen to this carefully. Be careful who you listen to. Be careful what websites. Always double check yourself. Make sure that who you are watching has a really good amount of subscribers. Their videos are valid. They work. And then, of course, here is the guy I found. Now, let me show you who. His name is Mr. 18YT. So a shout out to Mr. 18YT. You have helped me. If you look closely, he has 61.1K videos. Guys, he makes, there's it, yeah, 4,000 watch hours. How to get 4,000 watch hours using method 2. So he will show you the tips and tricks. I beg you to go into Mr. 18YT and go and check on his videos. He has such good tips and tricks on how those videos. Now, I'm not going to share that trick. I want you to go down. I'm going to put his name in the link below in case you missed it. Mr. 18YT, I want to say thank you, thumbs up for the advice you gave me. I used some of his, and like I also mentioned, making money met. I'll also put his description at the bottom so that you can go and check out his tips. I find these guys are amazing at what they offer you and the wealth of knowledge that they give to us as new YouTubers. Of course, there's Annie Dube. I love her videos as well. And of course, there's Think Media. His videos are great. Sometimes for a new YouTuber, for me, they were a little intimidating. But now that I'm into YouTube for 6 months, I'm able to watch his videos and have more understanding. Because guys, YouTube can be so scary. There is so many things that you need to learn. But just remember always to be successful. You need to work hard. You need to put in the time. And of course, you've got to stay consistent. So guys, good luck on your journey. Feel free to comment. Let me know what your thoughts are. And we shall see you in my next video, which is going to be a workout video. So look forward to that, guys. Ciao.